In today's world, we're all at risk of cyber attacks, and it's more important than ever to learn how to protect yourself. So if you've ever wondered how to stop hackers from stealing data, this video will show you the best online courses that can help you become a cybersecurity expert. Excuse me. So here are 5 of the top cybersecurity courses that'll teach you anything and everything you need to know about how to stay safe online. The first one is Cybersecurity for Beginners on Udemy. Okay? It's perfect for those just starting. The second is Introduction to Cybersecurity by Cisco, learning from one of the biggest names in tech. The third is CompTIA, Security Plus certification on LinkedIn Learning. It's a trusted choice for many professionals. The fourth is Cybersecurity Essentials by edX. It's a great option for in-depth learning. The fifth is Practical Ethical Hacking on Udemy. Learn how to protect yourself by understanding hackers. So the best part is you don't need to be a computer genius to learn today. Take action, protect yourself, and get the skills that you need to stay safe. Now, if you like these recommendations, leave me a like. Love ya.